Ableton just made some huge updates to Roar, including a new dispersion filter type and delay routing mode. But let's jump in and take a closer look. And here we go, Ableton's updated Roar. So the first thing, we have a new routing mode, which is the delay. So in this mode, the second stage processes the delayed signal from the first. Unlike the feedback routing mode, the delayed signal is sent to the second stage without being scaled by the feedback gain. This creates single repetitions or slapbacks. The output of stage 2 is fed back into itself and scaled with the feedback gain, enabling multiple repetitions and long signal tails. Right now I have this on a bass from a beat that I made in a live stream, but let's take a listen to what Roar can do. We also have a new dispersion filter type, and I tried this one in the live stream that we did where we broke down everything that's new in Ableton Live 12.2. If you guys want to check that out, I'll link that at the top of the video now. But this dispersion filter type is fire, and it does some craziness. It makes it sound metallic. But Ableton says, the filter distorts the signal's phase in a frequency-dependent manner. This can lead to an interesting metallic, spring-like artifacts, especially when modulated. And they've also added this external sidechain here to Roar and a bunch of the other devices as well. So you can turn that on right here. You can even mix it in with the sidechain, or we can control it from a MIDI, and this allows us to control the pitch. Controls the pitch of the feedback in note mode. We also have an envelope hold toggle, which ensures that the envelope completes its entire attack phase before entering the release phase. Ableton also gave us these little modulation LED indicator lights here so that we know what the modulation is doing to the flow signal. These new features are insane, but if you really want to master Ableton from a beginner all the way to an industry pro with updated courses, tutorials, project racks, effect racks, drum kits, and more, not available anywhere else, by the way. Feel free to check out the Audio Hacker Academy at audiohacks.store. Have you guys seen this new expressive chords device? I don't normally get excited about things like this, but this thing goes off.